This is making it to the vlog.
It's gonna be your intro?
It's gonna be my... Exactly. We're in a very nice place. We're in the health lab. We're getting ourselves a smoothie, and we're about to leave Early Beach for our Whitsunday store. What kind of smoothie are we getting?
Green.
A green detox one with spinach, celery, apple, and pineapple. It's delicious. And this is Early Beach. Yay. Hello. So, because of the carrying all the stuff.
Yeah.
So we're basically are the people with the biggest bags right now, and everybody thought that that's where the point where everybody drops their bags. So they basically like swirled us around and dropped their bags by us, but that's not how it's supposed to be. But whatever. So we are at the marina, Able Point Marina, and we're waiting for the check-in routine to get settled in the boat. I already took my seasick pills, and I hope that everything's gonna be alright. I am prepared. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking them every 4 hours to make sure that nothing happens. I'm kind of a little bit like nervous about that, but everything's gonna be fine. How are you feeling?
I'm tired.
Tired? I took the pill that might get me drowsy, and you're the one. I know, I just don't react to that because it's on the vlog. Somebody's messaging me, so whatever. But it's like really pretty here. And really, really hot. I have to check how many degrees. Yeah. For shorts. And I'm excited to do yoga at night. I hope that will work out. So, yeah. Do you wanna enter my vlog? What do you mean you're gonna end up?
I don't want to watch it.
You're already on
It can
it.
take a while. She's still.
I'm still in Sydney in my vlogs. Come say hi.
Sydney.
You're gonna end up in it anyway. Just come say hi.
You will become one.
Exactly.
Hi,
What's your name, dude?
I'm Michael.
Hello, Michael.
Hello.
Where are you from?
From Germany, Berlin.
And she's from Berlin as well. Berlin. I can't even say Berlin. Are you excited about our tour?
Very excited. Yeah. About the food, for sure.
Everybody's really hungry, to be honest. Yeah. Are you hungry too now? See, maybe that pill makes us hungry.
You think?
I'm really, really hungry right now. Are you?
No, I'm not. But I had a lot for breakfast. So.
I did too. That salad was big. We had.
How was the night? How was the last night for you?
Don't.
Maybe you can.
We're not. No, we're not. We're not.
You can
putting
explain
that
for
in
your
the vlog.
community.
For my 30 subscribers, we cannot say that. This is
Explain
PG.
it. It's interesting. It's a nice story.
Do you want to explain it? I'm
no,
gonna
no,
cut it out.
my
but
English is not good enough.
Your English is
Only
perfect.
yeah, no, you can do it, but explain it. It's a very interesting
It was
story.
very noisy.
No, it's a very interesting story.
It was very noisy and very disgusting.
Why?
You tell me. What happened? You don't know?
It's your YouTube channel.
Yeah, but I'm interviewing you now. You wanted to talk about that. What?
Say
What
it.
do you do?
In the microphone.
Hello? Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna have fun on a tour, I hope, and we're not gonna throw up. What? That is true. See ya. Bye.
See ya.
Bye. Bye.
Hi, here is Victoria. I'm back.
Oh, this is making it to the vlog.
It's gonna be your intro?
It's gonna be my... Exactly. I'm gonna literally make it an intro for this vlog. He's already being mean to me for no reason. You just know me for 2 days.
Yeah. But
Jeez.
we are in love.
So we're
You remember?
We're-
Because we are speaking.
where we're speaking. Be careful, don't trip. We're walking to our boat right now. Right there. Oh, there's so much fish, dude. Dude. That's our boat. And we're gonna be... I think so too, I hope so. And we're gonna sleep. Just hi. Where are we? What? Where are we? We're in the middle of nowhere, but it's really beautiful. So we're just like, wow. We actually really don't know where they're taking us, but it's really beautiful. And I haven't been seasick yet. I feel fine. I did have a tablet and I did have a little ginger to relax. And I slept a little bit. And so did Mona. Did you sleep?
No.
You didn't sleep? Did you sleep? No.
I did not.
Aw. Well, I think we're gonna park right now and we're gonna walk around or something. Do you not know? No?
I have no idea.
Well, we're going to the island.
We're gonna go snow.
You think we can move someplace today?
Yeah.
For sure?
Sure.
Oh, that's
Well, we're
exciting.
here, I guess.
I guess.
Someone said something about the tides, which are low. That's why we can see the corals and stuff.
And turtles. Sea turtles. I'm so excited. I hope. I really want to see. Dogs! Don't believe that. That's our friend, unfortunately. We're really hungry. We're always hungry.
You are.
Are you not?
It's fine. I can eat.
I'm just being honest, okay? Anyway, so we're gonna check in later.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know.
Are you recording? Stop! You're a bad cameraman.
How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you? What
Can
are
you explain
doing?
what happened last night?
Oh my goodness, you're just horrible. So today we had a very great day. Are you actually recording?
Huh?
Are you actually recording?
Yeah.
So we had an awesome day today, and we were at the Hook Island. I think it was Hook Island, where we snorkeled. I just asked him, and he said Hook. So you're very
Tell me
bad.
more. Tell me more. Tell me more.
We seen some turtles, but we couldn't catch them on camera. I mean, I saw a turtle, and he's seen a turtle. That's it. That counts. It was big, but it was like one
How
away
big?
from-
How big? Show. Really? So big?
Oh, really? Huh.
Wow.
What are you doing? You're so weird.
So what happened last night? Please explain.
You're just- What happened last night? Oh no, don't bite. You know what happened?
All night long.
Do you like it so far?
So Are you hungry?
Very much